Assalamu alaikum. که جور سلمان باشه شرق نازنین. I'm talking about this word. Every day I teach you two words. One would be very easy, the next one would be very difficult. So this one is one of those difficult words. Recalcitrant. 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 This is the pronunciation of this word. You need to focus on this. Remember this word is an adjective. Which kind of word is this? This word is an adjective. Remember that adjective, first we use adjective. After adjective we use a noun. This is one of the usages. یک از کاربردهایش هست که اول شما صفت استفاده بکنین، بعد از صفت چی استفاده بکنین؟ یک تا اسم استفاده بکنین. مثلا for example good شما میفهمین که یک صفت است. Then you need to use a noun. For example, good boy. What do you say? Good boy. So good is an adjective, then boy is a noun. Or you know this one, for example, beautiful. What about beautiful? Beautiful is an adjective, then you use a noun. For example, beautiful girl. Yes? First use an adjective. اول اگه صفت استفاده کنی بعد از اسم. این یک چی است؟ یک قانون است. دیگه قانون که برای نوشته میتونیم برای کی چی قسم صفت استفاده شود. در کجا صفت استفاده میشه؟ اول شما to be verb بانین، بعد to verb you can put an adjective. For example, he is okay, for example, handsome. Handsome is an adjective. To be verb, then to be verb, after to verb, an adjective. The same thing we have in these examples, okay? So you need to focus. The recalcitrant child. Recalcitrant سرکش نافرمان. Child refused to listen. این رد کرد که گوش بکنه. Refuse. The first word is refuse. What is refuse? Refuse رد کردن. But this is the second form, refused. It has E, put one D. So it will be changed to simple past. The recalcitrant child refused to listen. Refused to listen. مگه کودک سرکش نافرمانی رد کرد که گوش بکنه. The next one, see here, let me explain this one. First we have an adjective, recalcitrant. The next one, child. Child is noun. Which position? This position. Okay, first adjective, then we have a noun, recalcitrant. He is. See, we have to be verb. To be verb. After to be verb, we use an adjective. He is recalcitrant at school. او در مکتب سرکش است. او بچه در مکتب چی است؟ سرکش است. نافرمان است. The next one, the recalcitrant. Recalcitrant is student. So see, first we have an adjective. After adjective we use noun. Recalcitrant is student. It means شاگرد نافرمان. سرکش. Brook is the second form of break. What is break? Break شکستان. Brook شکستان. The rules. قوانین شکستان میگه. The next one, she became. Became is the past form of become. Okay? Become شدن. Became should. Okay? This is a stative verb. You remember that after a stative verb. Yes. Stative. After a stative verb, we can use an adjective as well. After a stative verb. A stative verb, or let me say linking verbs. Linking verbs is, if I say a stative verb can be divided in two parts. For example, one we have got to be verbs. The next one, linking verbs. Became or become is one of the linking verbs. Linking verbs like, for example, seem به نظر رسیدن. For example, look به نظر رسیدن. So after these verbs, you can use an adjective. See, we have an adjective. She became recalcitrant with her parents. مثلا او با والدینش نافرمان شد یا سرکش شد، یعنی سرکشی میکنه. The next one, recalcitrant behavior. See, remember that first we use adjective, after adjective we use a noun. So she recalcitrant behavior causes problems. رفتار نافرمان یا سرکشانه چی میشه؟ مشکل ایجاد میکنه یا باعث مشکلات میشه. There are some phrases and collocations you need to learn with this word. با آموزی لغت شما یک چی هستن؟ کالوکیشن هسته. کالوکیشن لغاتی که چی باشه؟ ترکیبی باشه، همنشینی باشه. فریز عبارت میشه. So recalcitrant child. See, first we use an adjective, after adjective we use noun. این کلش هم قوانین استفاده شده. کودک سرکش. recalcitrant student شاگرد نافرمان سرکش. recalcitrant behavior رفتار نافرمان یا سرکشانه. recalcitrant attitude نگرش سرکش. The next one, recalcitrant employee کارمند نافرمان. recalcitrant youth جوان سرکش. recalcitrant nature سرشت یا طبیعت نافرمان. For example, human beings, they have recalcitrant nature. Yeah, of course, that's true. recalcitrant nations اعمال سرکشانه یا نافرمانه. recalcitrant person شخصی نافرمان. recalcitrant response واکنش سرکشانه. So this is one word. For one word I made some examples and I wrote some phrases. I ask you to make example with these phrases, with one of them, with two of them, and write in the comment below. Then I can check that one whether you wrote right or wrong. If you like this video, I ask you to support me with your comments, with your likes, and following. Thank you. Have a nice time.